Whether the email warm-up function is enabled or not for your new email account, it can be a good idea to enable campaign email ramp-up to start slowly sending your campaign emails for your new email account. To enable campaign email ramp-up, first, go to the email account settings page. Click on the email that you would like to enable the ramp-up setting for, then click Account Settings. Then, check the Campaign Email Ramp-Up box, which allows you to start sending emails at a slower pace until the maximum limit has been reached. In this case, you can set the initial daily limit to be 5 emails or 10 emails per day. On the first day, it will start by sending 10 emails, and the daily increment will be 5 emails per day. On the second day, it will be 15 emails, and on the third day, it will be 20, all the way until the maximum limit has been reached. Once you are done with the settings, you can press Save. You will see that the settings have been applied here. You can also set the campaign email ramp-up for all your email accounts. If you want to bulk edit the email accounts, check this box and go to Bulk Edit Settings. In here, if you have some accounts that have email ramp-up enabled and you want to disable them, check this box. Otherwise, if you want to enable email ramp-up, check this Enable Email Ramp-Up box where you can also define the initial daily limit as well as the daily increment for your email accounts. Then press Save. That's it. Thank you.